Hello everyone! It's video about Unity packages. I will show you how to export Unity package. Let's click on Assets. And now Assets and Export Package. Now all my project files will be compressed to one file. Unity packages are a good way to send to someone your files or make backups. Compression are incredible. My file has 153 kilobytes. When my project has 196 megabytes. Now I will import package to new project. I have to click Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and choose my file. Good practice is to don't use sample scene, but it's only tutorial. Now I have all files and settings in Inspector, like in my first project. Scripts and shaders works. Really thanks for watching.